What if I told you that for just 50 bucks, you could make buyers emotionally connect with your home, make it feel warmer, bigger, and more welcoming? Now, this is the one lighting trick that actually top stagers and top realtors absolutely swear by to sell your house faster and for more money. The fact is, lighting is the number one underrated selling tool. Lighting isn't about seeing, it's about feeling. And poor lighting, it hides flaws. It makes rooms feel smaller, dated, and actually cold. And buyers subconsciously think this place needs work or something's just not right. But great lighting, it flatters every single surface. It highlights the views from your listings. It makes spaces feel even bigger and larger and cleaner and more inviting. And top stagers and realtors know that a well lit home gets more showings, more offers, and higher prices. Now, in homes, especially with shadows or evening showings, bad artificial light kills that vibe totally. And the good news, you don't need expensive fixtures or electricians, just smart, cheap changes. The $50 trick? Layer in warm, inviting light with affordable additions. Specifically, swap all bulbs to a warm 2700K LED, the soft white bulbs, not the cool daylight ones. Add in 2 to 3 inexpensive lamps for layering in lighting, ambient, task, and accent lighting. And that total cost is under 50 bucks at Walmart or Target or Amazon. And buyers walk in and they instantly feel homey. And that emotional pull is what sells. It makes them love it and bid higher. Now, the 2700K mimics cozy incandescent bulbs, that warm, flattering, and relaxing feel. So you want to totally avoid the 400K plus. That's the cool or the blue feeling, and they feel like they're in a doctor's office. So what you want to do is do the visual audit around your house. Step 1, do a quick audit, open the blinds, turn on every single light, and then walk through your house. You want to note any dark corners, any shadowy areas. And this is very common in older homes. And then step 2 is replace those bulbs. You can grab a 10 or 12 pack of 2700K LED bulbs. That's the A19 standard, and dimmable, if possible, makes it even better. And they go for around 10 to 15 bucks. And you swap every overhead light, every lamp, every light fixture. Now you see the difference? The warm light makes skin tones look better, the wood look warmer, and the views pop even more. Step 3, add in the layers with cheap lamps. 1 or 2 slim floor lamps, $15 or $20 each for those dark corners, or to frame the seating areas. Or 1 table lamp, 10 to 20 bucks on a side table or a console. Now examples, Amazon has basic floor lamps under 20 bucks, and Target has modern floor lamps for around 15 bucks. So what you do is you strategically place them. A floor lamp in a corner bounces light up. A table lamp to highlight a view or artwork. And this creates depth. No more flat overhead lighting. Now here's a bonus hack that still keeps you under $50 total. Add in a cheap mirror opposite a window or a lamp to bounce that light off because it's going to double the brightness of that room. Sheer curtains, they diffuse the harsh sunlight if it's too bright, and it softens natural lighting in that room. And for kitchens and baths, the under cabinet LED strips, if you need that brighten up that space, they're $10 or $15 extra, but totally optional. The proof is before and after examples here. Now here's the real proof. Look at this before. Dim, uninviting. But after the $50 trick, warm glow. Buyers said it feels cozy and spacious. And they can feel the difference immediately when walking in the room. Now another issue to look for is the bedroom feeling cramped. Soft bedside lamps, they'll make it romantic and bigger. And realtors tell me when they're showing their buyers, they comment on the lighting first, and they say, this place feels inviting. It's all about how it feels. And in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where I am, highlighting those sunset views with accent lamps, it's a total game changer for evening showings and photos. But here's the pro tips and the common mistakes. Use warm lights to combat shadows from neighboring buildings or trees. Here's the big deal. Accent lamps near a window actually make the views shine at dusk. But again, avoid these. There's cool white bulbs. Makes everything look like a doctor's office. You want to totally avoid that vibe. The single overhead light only. It creates those weird shadows. And dark corners, buyers assume there's dirt or some kind of hiding issue. They just don't feel that it's right. But for listing photos and virtual tours, Every time you have a showing on your house, turn on every single light and every single lamp. The pros use this tip for brighter, more appealing photo shots as well. So the $50 lighting trick, warm 2700K bulbs plus a couple extra budget lamps equals buyer emotionally loving your home. Go ahead, try it before your next showing. I want to see what you see. And when you do this, you're going to see that big difference. So if you're selling a condo or a house here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, pick up the phone, give us a call. 843-839-9870. We'll give you personalized staging tips or a free consult. And go ahead and like this if it helped and subscribe for more home selling hacks. Let's get that place sold fast. Take care, guys. See you in the next video.